Play thousands of songs with only 4 easy chords. This is really possible. And in this video I will show you exactly how. And as a bonus, I have even 2 more chords at the end of this video. These 2 plus 4 chords will make it possible for you to play tens of thousands of popular hit songs. So let's start. This, what I play here, is our first chord. A chord is a combination of 3 or more notes that go together well. So what's the name of this chord? This is a C major chord. It has the notes C, E, and G. Our second chord is the A minor chord. It has the notes A, C, and E. And now please listen to the C major chord. Major chords sound more confident, happy, and powerful. And now listen to the minor chord. Minor chords sound more melancholic, sad, and thoughtful. The next chord is our G major chord. It has the notes G, B, and D. Then we play the F major chord, and this has the notes F, A, and C. And what's great about these chords is that you can keep your hand as it is. When you play the first chord with thumb, middle finger, and pinky finger, you can keep these 3 fingers and only move your hand to the left to the keys of our next chord. And to the next, and to the next. That's a great way to play these chords. You can play these chords with your right hand, but if you play them with your left hand, you have your right hand available to play the melody of all these 1,000 songs. I will play some of the most popular piano songs using these chords in just a second. So, countless of hits were written using these 4 chords. But there's an important thing you need to know. You need 6 different chord progressions to play all these songs. And a great way to learn these chord progressions is my free piano crash course for beginners. You get a 10-part video series, an ebook with all major and minor chords that exist. These are full of exercises for beginners, and they will also help you with this video here. They are totally for free. All you need to do is click the link in the description, then you get to this page here, enter your name and email address, then you get to this page where you can get the free course and download the ebook. Do this now. I wait for 3 seconds, and then we go on with this lesson here. Now I have a challenge for you. I will play a couple of songs, and you try to find out what chord progression it is. After I played them, I give you the solution. Ready? Okay, let's start with our first song in chord progression 1. Chord progression 2. Chord progression 3. chord progression 4. Alright, so I'm really curious, did you notice the chord progressions? These were the 4 big hit chord progressions. Let's go through them. Chord progression number 1, I played Another Love with the chords A minor, C major, E minor, and F major. So maybe you noticed for this chord progression I used one of my 2 secret chords that I will share with you in just a second. Chord progression number 2, I played Faded by Alan Walker, River Flows in You by Yiruma, and All of Me by John Legend. These were the chords A minor, F major, C major, and G major. The third chord progression, I played Blank Space by Taylor Swift and Perfect by Ed Sheeran. These were the chords C major, A minor, F major, and G major. And chord progression 4, I played See You Again by Wiz Khalifa and Charlie Puth. These were the chords F major, C major, G major, and A minor. I'll link you a list with more songs in the description below. But there is more. Here's my secret tip for 2 more chords. If you know these chords, you can play even more songs. The first one is the D minor chord, and the second one is the E minor chord. And for the next step, we will make really beautiful music with these chords, because there are 5 right hand patterns like this that were used in thousands of tones that will make every beginner sound like a pro. Click this video here to learn these patterns now.